Hey YouTube, how's it going? It's the day after the mud run, and what we're gonna do today is give this dirty girl behind me here a nice bath, because got some work to do to it, and want to clean it up before we get into it and do some tidying up and go over a few things on it. Yeah, so let's get washing. Sun are pretty thick. It's gonna take a while with this garden hose to wash this, but that's all we got. Gonna garden hose her until she's clean. Then we gotta put some more stickers on her. Inside got a bit dirty too here, so we're just gonna give her a quick rinse down. This is how you wash the inside of your truck. Don't need no detailing shop. Who wants a detailing shop when you got a garden hose and a mud truck? Just hose it all down. Gonna have to make some drain holes maybe in the floor though to help this problem out. Whew. You got dirty in there. So we finally got her all washed up, looking good. Got all the mud off. It only took a little while, but we got her done. She looks good when she's wet. Yeah, there's the mud truck all cleaned up. So there you go, mud truck's all clean, ready for another day. I want to give out a shout out to the guy from Car Guy Corner who was nice enough to take his time, donate some stickers to the truck. All the stickers that were made by my buddy George, who has Car Guy Corner. Go check that guy out. He's got some cool videos on his YouTube channel. And yeah, gotta get this truck a little bit cleaner. Still got a little bit of mud on it. It's got to be pretty good looking. It's gonna go in the Christmas parade on a float, representing the Timmins trucks. There's gonna be another big Chevy on there as well, my buddy Eric's. Should be a great day with the Christmas float. We'll show you guys decorating that. So for now, thanks for watching The Sound of Madness. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have yourself a Rockstar marshmallow. They're freaking amazing. My favorite drink in the world. Till next time.